Okay, shelf one, we have transmission boxes, a few of them, and some engine cases from 1940 to 1946. We also have these motors, the bottom ends are done on a 1945, and there's a 1946. They're rebuilt bottom ends, and a couple more extra cases, some extra flywheels in the broken cases. Move down to shelf two, I have all brand new pistons and rings for Chief. All the way across, there's tons of new valve guides, parts for valves, more pistons. We have rockers for Chiefs. Everything for the internals of the engines is up here. And we come down a little bit, a few sets of Indian flywheels for Chief. There's some late model cylinders. There's 1, 2, 3 1, 2 square base. These are round base from 1940 to 41 only. These are the square base from 42 to 53. And there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those. Yeah, a bunch of extra clump full of Indian pistons and rings that are brand new. This shelf number 3, there's just a set of sleeves for the cylinders. There's some more. We're getting back into flywheels again for Chief. There's a good set there, a spare. These are round base cylinders for 1940 to 41 with the plus 20, plus 30. This one's new old stock. A real nice set of 40 to 41 stuff in there. Number 4, these cylinders, the ones that have the knobs on them, these are the cylinders for those motors I showed you earlier that are done. They're all fitted and balanced to it. And these are all extra here cylinders. These are all late model square base cylinders. There's a whole bunch of them. They're and so there's another set that goes to a motor that's already done. Again, now we have more square base cylinders. That would be for 1942 and up, all the way down through the bottom. Lots